This is Pat Walker at MissionWinners.com doing a short training coaching video for everybody. I got a nice message from a VIP, said, hey Pat, this thank you for the Google and it's great. Well, a lot of people look at charts after the fact, and one of the things I love to do when I'm teaching is show charts to before something happens so that we can train our eyes. We don't have a perceptual filter saying, oh, that was easy, that was easy. Well, no, it ain't easy. Right? So we're looking at Google, and I want to show you this. This has 3 days of tops right here, and you can see the white line that I drew on this. It's just simple. Clean tops here. It's above the moving average. The market's good. It's a max list stock. Can it take out this white line on a pickup in volume? Advance it 1 day, and it does on a pickup in volume at the close. We bought this stock on this day, right around 1222. In fact, I can tell you, we bought it for 1222.16. We bought it, pushing through the line on a pickup in volume, and the market was strong too. Advance it a day. Moved around a little bit, but found support on the 8-day. So we're okay. It goes up. It goes up. What do? We sell a little bit into strength. Do you sell all of it? No, you're limiting your gains. Don't do that. But take some off because it's not a long base breakout. Does this, everything's fine. And then it does this, everything's fine. And then it does this, and this is today. Just a nice, simple move for right here's about 50 points. And it's not oh, wow, that's awesome. No, it's understanding the concept, understanding the setup, memorizing it before it happens. So you'll be ready for the next one. And that's what we do.